Hello, my YouTube friend. We're back in the shop and we have a very busy day ahead of us. Let me give you an update of what's going on in the shop. Okay, from yesterday, I have just 2 or 3 boxes here. I still have to finish pricing out. I want to clear this out by the end of the day so the front's still cleared out for the weekend. Still trying to keep this clean, but you know, stuff flows in. And then I have a few figures left over here that I still have to price out. And then Leslie, aka the YouTuber JKL Awesome, he dropped off 5 boxes of Funko Pops for me to go through. So I'm going to show you guys all those in a few minutes. I'm actually excited to do a Funko Pop video again. I haven't really been buying too much, so it's nice to have a good stash for the weekend. So I'm going to work on those today and try to get those done as well. And I'll show you all the Pops in the boxes. And then I have a few more things here. I got a few more things here and there for my record guy that I got to clean up. Looks like this aisle I have to clean up too. Yeah, I got a few protectors that we're going to use. This aisle is semi-cleaning out. I still have a few clutter piles to work on. I gotta clean up this area a little bit. I gotta get some of this box into the cabinet. And then we have the action figures from the collection I bought yesterday that I'm still working on. So these, I'm gonna slide this hold down and then have 5 boxes of the new Pops right here from Leslie. And then I think there's probably room on the shelves because a lot of these shelves, like, you know, the music stuff, I could fit maybe 10 there. Dragon Ball 4 or 5. DC has lots of space, maybe for like 50 Pops. Disney's pretty full, and Marvel's pretty full just because I consolidated it a little bit to make room for some of these action figures down here. Star Wars is full. But yeah, I'm going to try to clean up this end here, I think, a little bit, and put some of the Simpsons stuff here somehow. I don't know, we got a lot of work to do today to get this all organized and cleaned up. It's Friday, so I kind of want to get it done before the weekend starts. Okay, let me get to pricing out the toys, then I'm going to start working on the Pops. All right, I have a little bit of a mystery box here from Ice Gold. I wasn't sure what it was. I opened it up and I saw a Funko bag in there. So I'm guessing it's a Funko Pop. Not 100% sure, but we're going to dig into this and see what it is. I'm excited. Love a good mystery. All right, so this looks like it's got to be a Funko Shop bag. Okay, that's cool. What do we got in here? Okay, we got that. Feels a little bit heavy for a pop. Okay, let's see what we got. I am very curious. Yeah. He made me as a pop, people. Oh my gosh. That is so freaking cool. Alright, I gotta take it out and play with it. Oh, there's a cute little cat in there too. Oh my gosh, I love that. Thank you. I'm pretty sure I told him I wanted one of these when he's at the Funko shop. So like, this is amazing. I would definitely owe you something, dude. Okay, this is so cool. So I think when you go to the Funko shop, you pick out all the different parts you want. And this is, he made one that looked like me. That is, that is so cool. I love that he had the little cat with it. That is fun. I love that. Amazing. Okay, let's dig through Leslie's boxes. He just said he had a bunch of Pops to trade in. I don't know what's in here, so it's gonna be like a mystery box or 5 giant mystery boxes. Okay, looks like we have some ad icons or the. Actually, I don't know if these are technically ad icons, the sugar Sour Patch ones, but he's got a few of those, which I like. Food-related Pops are always popular. And then we have Mike the Liar. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. we have the Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta Chase. That one's going to go pretty quick. We have a Zartan. That's awesome. I love the G.I. Joe ones a ton. And then we have Lord Licorice. That one is super cool. And then we have Ron Swanson, Parks and Rec. We have a Joker Pez. Okay, what do we got in this one? Snake Eyes. Wonder if the Snake Eyes is in there. Yep, it's the Funko Shop Snake Eyes. Love this one. This one is awesome. Very cool pop. Okay, I'll do the sodas afterward. I don't know if they're chases or commons. Okay, let's go through the bottom. We have Shanks. Last time I got Shanks, he went really quick. We have Ochoko, the Funimation exclusive. That one's cool. Pretty sure I have that one, but I'm gonna double check that. Higgs Monaghan. I'm not sure what game that's from, but he's super cool. I might keep that one if I don't have it. Super neat looking. Midnight from My Hero. That's awesome. My Hero stuff, especially the exclusives, are always good. Glybor Torres. So we have some local team stuff, which is good. We have Felix the Cat. If I don't have Felix, definitely keeping that one. Love the old school cartoon stuff. Toonami Tom. If you're like 25 to 30 years old, you know what that's about. Underdog. That's cool. Alright, let me clear these out. Okay, bottom row, more My Hero, some Naruto. This one's going to sell really quick. Super fast. Pete Alonso from the Mets. That's cool. I don't really get Mets stuff too often. Gary Sanchez from the Yankees. Joker from Persona 5. I have to double check if I need that one. We have the Floating Death Crystal Morty. That one's super cool. The Silver Age All Might Glow in the Dark. And the Bill Cipher from Gravity Falls. Okay, those are all really cool. Let me go through the sodas to see if they're commons or chases. Okay, this is fun. We have 2 common Batman Who Laughs, and then we have the chase. They look exactly the same, except I think they put some glow paint on his teeth. It's kind of a crappy chase, but I'm keeping him. He's cool. The figure itself is really cool. And then we have a Bakugo, which I'm also keeping. Just the common, but I love the My Hero stuff. I might keep one of the regular. I don't know. I'm trying not to keep all the common sodas because I know in the future I'll be able to get them again when I want them. Trying to keep my space. I have so limited space, but definitely the chase in that one. Those 2 are awesome. All right, let's dig through box number 2. See what we got. Looks like some game stuff. Portal, which I think are super cool. Couple Portal Pops. We have a Miak the Liar from Skyrim. Oh, Pokemon, we need these. We are sold out Pokemon commons. That's cool. Growlithe. I probably need like a whole bunch of Pokemon commons. I keep selling them. Monsters Inc. Okay, we have a Soldier Heartless. A Chell from Portal 2. That's cool. I don't think I've seen that one in person yet. The Raiden. I guess that's the GameStop one. That one's cool. Alright, I gotta move these. Okay, we have the Assaultatron from Fallout. That one's really neat. Like that one. We have Aridin from The Witcher. I don't know if I have that one. I'll keep that one if I don't have it. Love The Witcher. Milena from Mortal Kombat X. We have the Gameverse. Was it Rocket and Mega Man? That one's cool. I think these are kind of underrated because it's a weird mashup, but I think they're cool. I think they're really cool. Ooh, a fun Ratchet and Clank set. I love that. Okay, it looks like a whole bunch more gaming stuff in the bottom here, which is cool. We have Anna from Overwatch. That one I haven't seen in person before. That's cool. I might actually keep that one. Oh, we have Shantae. That one is cool. I might keep her as well. Oh, okay. There's fun stuff in here. Hanzo from Overwatch. We have Blanca, I think Geek exclusive. All right, let me clear these out. All right, we have, oh, the Diamond Diva. That one's super cool. We have Sombra. A lot of these I haven't seen in person. These are all super cool. Tracer. Love that one. We have the Funko Insider Club GameStop Diva. That one's super cool. We have Shadow Heartless. We have Organization 13 Mickey. Doomfist. Sora Dual Blasters. The Goofy from Monsters Inc. And finally, we have the Chip and Dale Kingdom Hearts double pack. Okay, those are all super cool. All right, box number 3. Okay, we have, I think this is what I would look like if I was a vampire. Love that one. We have Albus Dumbledore. So we have more movie ones. We have some ad icons. The Hamburglar. We have Grimace. We have Bluto from Animal House. Oh, this one's cool, but it looks water damaged. So we have Jovi, so she'll be cheap. Let me clear those. Okay, we have Alex DeLarge, love that one. Different Bluto. I haven't seen that one in person. That's cool. Peter Pez. Ronald McDonald. The Michelangelo Target exclusive art series. Don't really like that one. White Ranger. That is cool. That one will sell pretty quickly. The Rita Repulsa Lord Zed double pack. It's a BAM exclusive. That's cool. Alright, let me clear these. Okay, we have Officer Mac. David from The Lost Boys. Love that one. That one I think has a little bit of value. We have Ash from Evil Dead. We have Mayor McCheese. We have the Buddy Elf Chase. Love that one. Okay, in the bottom row, we have the Icy Polar Bear. Alpha 5 Walmart exclusive. So it looks like a lot of Power Rangers on the bottom here. Pumpkin Wrapper. Green Ranger. Pink Ranger. Yellow Ranger. Pudgy Pig. Blue Ranger. So lots of Power Rangers, which is good. The, I guess, translucent Black Ranger. The regular Black Ranger. And the Red Ranger. Okay, very cool. Alright, box number 4. Okay, this looks like all DC stuff. Okay, so we have Captain Atom. Robin from the Imperial series. Falcon. So we have a little bit of Marvel too. Deadman. That one's fun. Really like that one. Let me see what's in this box. Oh, the Zombie Moon Knight. That one is neat. We have the Murder Machine Batman. Hawk Girl, Hot Topic exclusive. The Black and White Wonder Woman, like that one a lot. Mira. Alright, let me clear these. Okay, we have the Kid Flash Hot Topic exclusive. Dual Dent Hot Topic exclusive. Logan. That one's cool. The Red Rain Batman. Doctor Strange. Love the movie. Which one is this? The Grim Knight Batman. I think that one has a little bit of value. The Soldier Supreme. The Miles Morales programmable suit. Alright, let me clear these. Okay, let's see what we got. We got a... Oh, Venomized Punisher. That one's cool. I don't know if I've seen that one before. I might have to keep that one. Ulysses Claw. Black Panther. Oh. Okay, that's interesting. So we have a Wolverine, but it looks like an error. I think if you see, the gloss is off-centered, so it doesn't quite match the artwork. That is cool. That's going to go into my error collection. Neat. Okay, we have Iron Hammer, glows in the dark, wall, Green's exclusive. We have the Superior Octopus. We have Arachnite. Also a Walgreens exclusive. The Ghost Panther. Which Thanos is this? This is the one where his hand comes off. It's a 2020 ECC Comic-Con exclusive. Art series Captain Marvel. Not a fan of those, but these I really love. So we have the Blacklight Doctor Strange. That one is neat. Blacklight Captain America. So these ones are going to be popular. These ones will sell real quick. Blacklight Thor. And Blacklight Iron Man. Alright, very cool. On to the next box. Alright, final box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I see some Seinfeld. Oh, the Tick one is really cool. Love that one. Pretty sure I have it, but it's really cool pop. Oh, and then we have the Wonder Woman Conan O'Brien. That one's neat. I like the Conan O'Brien mashup ones. We have Josie from Josie and the Pussycats. We have Holistic George, where he's trying to regrow hair. That one's funny. Oh, we have Steven Tyler from Aerosmith. That is cool. Alright, let me clear these. Okay, let's see what we got. We have Jay from Modern Family. Ooh, Johnny Cash. That is really neat. Do love the music ones. The kind of like, not sepia tone, but I don't know. It's a really cool looking Alice in Wonderland though. I love that one. We have Shere Khan. It's a 2018 New York Comic Con exclusive. We have Daryl Dixon. All right, let me clear these. Okay, we have Gloria Chase from Modern Family. Chases are always fun to get. We got Claire from Modern Family. So it looks like there's a whole bunch of Modern Family in here. Elaine from Seinfeld. This is all, I guess, like the sitcom pops. Gloria from Modern Family. Phil from Modern Family. Screech Powers from Saved by the Bell. That's cool. That one's got a little bit of value. Oh, and then we have some Big Bang Theory ones underneath. Raj Guthapali. Stuart Bloom. And Jeff Winger from Community. And Cam and Mitch from Modern Family. Okay, let me clear these. It's getting cloudy. I'm running out of sunlight here. Okay, we have Ben Chang from Community. We have Leonard from The Big Bang Theory. That's cool. We have Penny from The Big Bang Theory. We have Shirley Bennett from Community. We have Sheldon Cooper from The Big Bang Theory. We have Amy Farrah Fowler with her tiara. Love that one. We have Annie Edison from Community. We have Howard Wolowitz from The Big Bang Theory. And we have Bernadette from The Big Bang Theory. Okay, those are all really fun. Okay, it's Friday night. We still have some work to do to clean up for the weekend, but I'm going to do that in the morning right before we open. But let's just look at the store where we're at before we open up tomorrow. Okay, almost re-cleared out the front. I do have to move that box somewhere. That's just random stuff that needs to be hung out. I might work on that tomorrow while we're open. A couple bins here I got to clean up, stack up. Some more record store stuff. And just a little bit of clutter. So tomorrow, like all that stuff's priced out right now. More of the Simpsons figures and stuff. Actually, some really cool stuff too. Like the comic shop guy, I love that one. And then we can go through all these. I had another whole giant bin full of these. Bartman, Millhouse, Martin, the Pin Pal Mo. Oops, he's got a little bit of tape on him. Pin Pal Mo, his box is really damaged, so I'm selling him cheap. Her box is really damaged, I'm selling her cheap. Sideshow Mel and Kent Brockman. Oh, and this one's super cool, but the box is a little bit beat up, so I had to put it down. But it's a Glow in the Dark Homer. This is one of the more expensive ones, and I absolutely love this one. This is the one that you would have to send away for, which I did back in the day. I have it at 75. Normally, if he's like 100, but his box, I feel like part of this collection got water damage, so it feels a little bit warped, but I don't see any stainage on it, so it's not the worst. We have the Bumblebee Man, Nelson, Mascot Homer, and a couple more. We got the Sunday Best Homer and Otto. So those I gotta put to the side. The rest of these boxes I'm gonna stack up in the morning just so that you can get over here a little bit. I think this bin has just a couple things in it, so I gotta get rid of that. So I'm gonna come in early tomorrow for like 10 minutes and just kind of organize and clean up right there. I have a little bit left here that I clean up. This is empty, so I'm gonna bring this in for recycling. Okay, that side's pretty good. Okay, and then over on this side, it's not too bad. I gotta organize these boxes a little bit, but I have all these new action figures plus 3 or 4 bins. I guess 4 bins full of Pops from Leslie that we priced out today. And then probably have some room on the shelves to put some stuff, but yeah. I think we're pretty much ready for the weekend. The weekend's usually when we're at our busiest, so I just like to try to clean up and make some paths and make it easier to go through the shop for Saturday. So that's what I'm going to do early in the morning. We did a lot of work today, but it was a ton of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!